पहले तो सर मैं अपने दुख का इजहार करना चाहूँगा कि सर आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी है, तुलबा अपना टाइम निकाल के आए, साथी इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और आप फिर भी सर 50 मिनट लेट आए। बच्चे अपनी क्लासेस दूसरे छोड़ के सर इधर आपका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे। और सर मैं इस बात पर शर्मिंदा हूँ कि मेरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर, बेशक केयर टेकर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो, उसे इनकी इज्जत नहीं, या फिर मुझे लगा कि शायद इनकी इज्जत नहीं।
But I feel like all of us over here do not want the outcome that we're currently seeing in Pakistan. That is when the penalties are not proportionate to the crime committed, even if calling that a crime is just going against rules and regulations.
जब आप elect हुए थे ना as a caretaker prime, ठीक है select हुए थे.
Why did you feel the need to come to LUMS and address the students here? No, it's not, I'm sorry, it's not a humiliating question. But I am genuinely curious that amidst all these situations and conditions that are happening in Pakistan and are affecting the people, why did you feel like, what was the motive behind this invite, or rather you're coming to LUMS? I want to know.
Following the constitution?
Yeah, because after the Punjab and KP governments got dissolved, you're supposed to hold elections in 90 days. Why haven't we held elections yet?
I'm joining.